Patrol officers responded to a radio call of a suspect that was violating a domestic violence restraining order at a residence in the 14,400 block of Valerio Street. As the officers arrived on scene, they located the suspect standing in the street in front of the location. That suspect was later identified as Angel Torres. Here's the 911 broadcast for this incident.
I have a restraining order on my kid's father, and he's back in my apartment.
What's the address?
144 Valerio Street.
144 Valerio, what apartment?
Yes.
Are you in the apartment now?
I'm just getting here.
Okay, and you know he's in there. How did he tell you?
I was driving. It's opening the gate. It's probably 4 buildings, and he was inside the gate.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, or
He's
Asian?
just walking out right now. He's Hispanic.
What color shirt?
And he doesn't have a shirt on.
What color pants?
He has black shorts.
Black shorts?
Yes.
And what's his name?
And he's wearing a backpack. Angel Giovanni Torres.
Okay, I got Torres. What's the first name?
Angel.
Angel, okay. And what's your name, ma'am? And are you gonna stand by your car to wait for the police, or where are you gonna be to meet with the police?
I'm gonna be in my apartment.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me broadcast with the officers, okay? 1 moment.
Buenos días. Domestic violence restraining violation, 144 Valerio Street, 144 Valerio Street. Suspect is the father of the children, male Hispanic, 31 years, wearing no shirt, blue shorts, possibly under the influence of narcotics, going in and out of the gate, violating RO Code 3 and 426-290-906. Then is unit time identified.
The officers gave Torres commands to submit to arrest. However, he refused to comply. When the officers approached Torres and attempted to take him into custody, Torres resisted. Officers used physical force and a taser to take Torres into custody.
Angel, put the gear down. Hey, listen, I'm Sergeant Baskin, okay? I'm in charge right now, okay? Angel, I just want to talk to you, bro. Okay, I can't talk to you in the airship and stuff. You need to put the gear down. Keep the gear to your brother, bro. Let him finish it off. Okay, so do me a favor. Turn around, and then just walk back, bro. That's it. Hey, I don't want to get you back. I don't want to take you. Let's just talk, bro. Angel, come on, man. Angel. Hey, bro. Hey, escúchame. Angel, come on, man. It's all about respect, right? I'm going to respect you, but yeah, I'm respecting you, brother. I haven't disrespected you. I haven't disrespected you. No, hey, sound respectful, because last time we had to do that, bro. Shit. So we gotta figure this out, bro. That's it. Okay? Hey, so we're gonna walk out, bro. Hey, we gotta walk out. Okay, we're gonna continue and we're gonna talk. We're gonna figure it out. Are you cool with that? Sit up!
I'll put the insurance just in case.
We're not gonna hurt him, bro. Hey, that's how it works. We're not gonna hurt him. As long as you cooperate, we're good, bro. Sheriff, get your hands off too, okay? Are you cool?
We're good.
Let's
Stop.
We're not gonna fight, okay?
Stop it.
Alright, but you gotta settle down, bro. You gotta settle down.
Yeah, good. Stop.
Okay, so I'm gonna come out. My guys are gonna come out. You gotta put your handcuffs.
Be civil. Stop.
You are, but you gotta put your handcuffs.
Be civil. Stop.
Right, we will. That's what I gotta
It's
do.
the same shit that happened over there.
Okay, Summer, stay listen. Whatever's going on with the shit and stuff, I don't know what's going on, brother. Okay? But shoot, bro. Hey, listen, no one's gonna shoot. No one's gonna shoot. I'm talking. As long as I'm talking to you, we're good.
Hey, you gotta get out of here.
You need to move out of the way right now. Get out of the way.
Let's go. You guys gotta move. Hey, you guys gotta let bro. Hey, you got my word. I'm not gonna hurt him about the understand that. You gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta move. Hey, you gotta move, bro. You guys gotta move. Hey, come on. Oh, don't flex up, Chief. Don't flex up. Come on, bro. Comply. Someone else get caught. Here, give me this. I got this wrist. Go. I got weight cuff on. Go. Get a hop. Get a hop. Top of the tank. Get it on. There you go. All right. He's good. Hey, get him on his side. Get him on. Don't leave him on his stomach. Hands on your back.
The Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Torres to a local hospital due to the taser deployment. Torres was subsequently admitted because the attending physician could not rule out if the force used against Torres was a contributing factor to his medical condition. On June 15, 2021, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Torres: 1 count of stalking and 1 count of resisting an officer. Angel Torres is a 31-year-old resident of Los Angeles.